pounds for pound number one MMA fighter and UFC welterweight champion of the world, Kamaru Usman's manager Ali Abdelaziz recently appeared in ESPN interview and he echoed the sentiment that Kamaru Usman expressed few weeks ago that he want to face Canelo Alvarez after one or two more title defense because he has in his eyes he has already faced everybody and now he is rematching the guy that he fought earlier for his title defenses. So his manager said the same thing that either it would be Canelo or Kamaru Usman will go for the second belt at middleweight for the champ status, and it's a big thing in UFC, and Conor McGregor was the first UFC champ. But it's dicey given the situation that Kamaru Usman does not want to face Israel style bender Adesanya because they are both from Nigeria and Kamaru Usman has said it over and over again. That's style bender's division and he's my brother. I'm not going to fight him. So as long as he is the champion, I will never move up to middleweight and challenge for another title. UFC superstar Nate Diaz, who has been recently calling out Vicente Luque from past 1 month, and he recently tweeted as well that is there anything wrong with Vicente Luque? I still didn't get any contract and I didn't heard about anything from the UFC side or from his side. 2 days ago, Ned Diaz expressed his interest in fighting Tony Ferguson as well. So after UFC fight night, Dana White, UFC president, was asked that if he is interested in booking Nate Diaz and Tony Ferguson. So he said no, we are working on another fight for Nate, and he also mentioned the fact that this is the last fight of Nate Diaz on UFC contract. So it hasn't been finalized if he's going to get extension, but it's certain that if he is going to get an extension, he's going to get paid really nicely given his star power and what he brings to the table. Bellator MMA president Scott Coker recently appeared for an interview just after Bellator Russia card, and he spoke about the future of Fyodor Emelianenko. He said that his hand speed looked incredible. He fought a pretty dangerous guy. And man, the combination that he put on Tim Johnson, that was beautiful to watch. And I realized that he can still bring it. He still has it. And this card was recently one of my bucket list and I'm glad to put it behind and had to take on it. Because since Force days, Fyodor Emelianenko used to tell me that come to Russia and see our country and we have great fighter and great gym over there. And after coming here, I can say that I'm really delightful how the event went, and given the amount of fighter and talent which is present here in Russia, I can say that we will return to Russia more than 2 or 3 times in a year in upcoming times.